The General Staff Course Class 73. These remain standing for the entry of the colors. Enter the colors.
Whether you have exerted so much effort or not, believe me, what you have attained is considered as an achievement of any officer in any armed forces for that matter. General Staff College, I hereby declare CJSC Class 73 graduates effective today.
Our graduates, please.
Deliberation of the Academy's Academic Council, and by their recommendation, it is with a deep sense of pride and honor that I present to you 111 candidates for graduation of the Master in Public Management, Major in Development and Security, for having successfully completed the requirements of the program.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me as the President and the Chief Executive Officer of the Development Academy of the Philippines, I now confer on you the degree of Master in Public Management, Major in Development and Security, with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereto pertaining. Congratulations.
Congratulations, MPM NEPSEC graduates. You may now transfer your academic sash to your left shoulder. Thank you, and again, congratulations. You may be seated.
March 2023 to 11 December 2023, and awarded the Armed Forces of the Philippines Command and General Staff Corps Certificate of Completion effective this date. As we call the names of the graduates, we shall also announce the awardees of Outstanding Graduate Award and Honor Graduate Award.
MPM NEPSEC graduate. Lieutenant Colonel Felmax B. Loguido Jr., Philippine Army. Lieutenant Colonel Darwin A. Manalo, Philippine Army. Lieutenant Colonel Manalo.
Lieutenant Colonel Raul P. Esca, Philippine Army. Lieutenant Colonel Esca is also an MPM DevSec graduate.
the Philippines Best Master's Thesis Award is presented to Lieutenant Colonel Albert M. Banito, Philippines.
Congratulations, Lieutenant Colonel.
Philippine Army Award is hereby presented to Lieutenant Colonel Paul P. Lamont.
Force Class 73 with an average grade of 96.424%. The AFP Chief of Staff Foundation Award is hereby presented to Lieutenant Colonel Paul P. Lamont.
Thank you. He is a proud member of the Philippine Military Academy Katao class of 1989 and graduated salutatorian.
Of a rigorous journey, but also the beginning of a new chapter filled with immense opportunities and challenges. I am deeply honored to stand before you as a possibilities, and may you continue to shine as beacons of hope and inspiration. Congratulations once again to all of you. Thank you. God bless us all. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you for your very inspiring message. Thank you for the great user. We request our principals of this occasion to have a good opportunity to graduates.
Thank you.